Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 3,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Eight locations, 13 brands, over 2,500 new and used vehicles online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.